By the end of this video, you'll be able to answer the question of why auto insurance is required in most states. I'm Keith Holt, and this is HIA Essentials. Auto insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company that protects you against financial loss in the event of an accident or theft. Now, this coverage can be quite overwhelming and it can be hard to navigate all the options, so let's break it down. There are several different types of coverage that you should know about when it comes to auto insurance. The first is liability coverage. It's probably the most important and is the one that's required by law in most states. This covers damages to other people's property and injuries if you're at fault. Collision coverage takes care of damage to your car from a collision, regardless of who's at fault. And comprehensive coverage covers non-collision related damage. And finally, again, probably the second most important in our books, is called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. This protects you if you're in an accident with someone who doesn't have adequate or any insurance at all. We recently compiled some of the most common questions that we have when it comes to auto insurance, and I have the answers here for you today. People ask us a lot, what actually factors into the cost of your auto insurance premium? Well, several factors can actually affect your insurance premium. These include your driving record, your age, your gender, the location of where you drive, the vehicle type, and your credit score. Also consider how often you drive and how much coverage you are actually having in your auto insurance policy when it comes to figuring out how much to charge for your premium. People also ask us a lot, how can you lower my auto insurance premium? Now, there are several ways to lower your auto insurance premium. You could look for discounts, but the most likely thing that's going to bring your auto insurance premium down is increasing your deductible. So increasing your deductible is going to say that you're going to be on the hook for more money when it comes time when you're in an accident. The most important question that we want to get answered today is, what is uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage? Now, we have made a video in this, so you can go check that out, but just right here, I'll give you a short kind of summary of it. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage protects you if you're in an accident with the driver who either doesn't have insurance or whose insurance is insufficient to cover the damages. This type of coverage can pay for medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages. So what should you do if you're involved in an accident? If you're involved in an accident, first, ensure everyone's safe and call emergency services if necessary. Next, exchange information with the other driver. Document the scene with photos and report the accident to your insurance company as soon as possible. And it would help a lot to get a police report to help decide who's at fault in the accident. So like in the beginning, I told you we would answer why auto insurance is required in most states. And the reason auto insurance is required in most states is to ensure that drivers can cover the costs associated with driving and getting into accidents. This includes property damage and medical expenses and damage to your vehicle and damage to the other party's vehicle. But more importantly, it's that liability piece. It's so that if someone is in an accident, they can help pay for the damages to the other person, not just their property. So that can pile up. That can be several $100,000s if someone's seriously injured. That's why states won't allow you to self-insure and are requiring car insurance all across the country. I want to thank you for joining us today. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content from us here at HIA Essentials. We're here to help you make smart decisions and maintain long-lasting value. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.